How to download Microsoft Visio Standard 2021 for free. So if you want to download Microsoft Visio Standard 2021 for free, then what you need to do is first you need to uninstall any previous application that you have. So open up your settings at first. After opening your settings, you need to go with apps, and from apps, you need to go with installed apps. And here you need to search for Microsoft Visio Standard. Once you find the Microsoft Visio Standard, you need to just simply go and uninstall that. So in my case, I don't have any application named Microsoft Visio, but if you have, then you just need simply go with the application, go with the right side, three dots, and then go with uninstall. After uninstalling, now let's start. You need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then you need to go with your search, and under search, you need to search for Office Deployment Tool. After that, you need to click on the official website, and now you need to go with download, which will be in the bottom, and it will start the downloading process. And once it's downloaded, you need to go with a new tab, and now you need to search for Office Customization Tool, and then go with the first official website. Once you're here, you need to just simply go with the architecture section, and in my case, I'll just simply go and select 64-bit, and then you need to go with the Office suite or the product, or just simply come here under the Visio, and you need to go and select the Standard 2021, whichever you would like to download, and then you need to just scroll down and then go and select Office LTSC. I'll just simply go and select the Perpetual Enterprise and make sure that you have the latest version selected. Once done, you need to go with next and then go with the languages. You can select your language. In my case, I'll just simply go and select English. And once done, you can also add some additional languages if you want to, and go with next again and go with the installation section. And after that, click on next, scroll down. And once done with all of the other sections, you need to just simply go with the right side and you will have the export option. You need to click on export and then click on I accept the terms and license agreement, and then go with export right here. And once done, you need to come back and then create a new folder. Go with folder and then rename it as Visio 2021 Standard. So you just need simply go with this PC and go with the two folders that we've just downloaded. So select these two and then cut them. Go with the folder that you've just created and paste it right here. Once you've pasted, it will look like this. After that, you need to double click on the Office Deployment Tool and you need to extract this folder. So click on yes and you'll get this kind of interface. Click here to accept the Microsoft software license and then go with continue and select the folder that you've just created. Click on that and then go with OK. So once the file has been extracted successfully, you need to open CMD. So search for CMD and then right click on it and go with run as administrator. Once you do that, you will have your CMD. You need to click on yes and you'll get this kind of interface. Now here you need to enter a command, which is you need to go with setup.exe space / configure space configuration.xml and then hit the enter. But if that doesn't work, then you need to just simply go with the search right here. Just remove this and then enter CMD, hit the enter, and you will get the CMD command right here. So now you need to enter setup.exe space / configure space configuration.xml and now hit the enter. Click on yes and it will start the installation process. So that's it. That's how you can download Microsoft Visio Standard 2021 for free. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.